1. Subhas Chandra Bose, born on January 23, 1897, was a charismatic and influential leader in India's struggle for independence against British rule. 2. Popularly known as Netaji, Bose was a key figure in the Indian National Congress but later formed the Forward Bloc due to ideological differences. 3. He played a crucial role in organizing the Indian National Army, INA, during World War II, aiming to liberate India from British control. 4. Bose's famous slogan, "Give me blood, and I shall give you freedom," reflects his passionate commitment to the cause of independence. 5. In pursuit of India's liberation, he sought support from Axis powers during the war and formed alliances with countries like Nazi Germany and Imperial Japan. 6. Subhas Chandra Bose's mysterious disappearance in 1945 remains a subject of debate, with conflicting theories about his fate. 7. His legacy is celebrated annually on January 23, Netaji's birth anniversary, as a day of national importance in India. 8. The Azad Hind Radio, established by Bose, broadcasted messages of hope and inspiration to Indian soldiers fighting against the British. 9. Netaji's contributions to India's freedom struggle earned him the admiration of many, and he continues to be a symbol of patriotism and courage. 10. Subhas Chandra Bose's commitment to a free India and his leadership in the INA left an indelible mark on the nation's history.